The manifest file just lists the files that needs to be included in the distribution. So you have just a plain file with names of files. You can have empty lines, you can have some comment here. What is important is the names of these files. When you're packaging the distribution, the module and all the things around it, these files will be included, and when you're installing it, the system will check whether these files actually were in the distribution and whether there was no extra file and so on. It will warn you if there is some extra file or some file is missing. Some people maintain this file manually, and then they keep it in version control system. Other people leave this out from version control system, and instead of that they have a manifest.skip file that looks like this, which is just regular expressions basically telling what files not to include in the manifest. So when you're and then what happens is that just before creating the distribution, just before packaging the files, you run a command that will take all the files from the directory structure, exclude the ones that match these regular expressions, and then create a manifest file on the fly, and then use that file. And then you would keep this file in version control system and not the manifest file, because that changes and it's being generated automatically. And then that's how you do it. And as you can see here, we are excluding the various directories of version control systems, SVN or CVS or Git or whatever they are. Git is not listed here at this point, and so on, and then the temp files and the files that VI generates and so on.